Hi, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to find the products to sell on Shopify. Let's come to the computer screen. I'm going to introduce you some of the marketplaces where you can research the product or where you can find the best product to sell on your Shopify store. First of all is the AliExpress, where you can find the top trending items, or you have different categories, and in these categories you can find the best selling products and the products having 5-star and product having top selling categories. You can find the product from here. In the same way, you can explore Amazon for different categories to find the best selling products. In the third marketplace is the Alibaba, where you can find products same like Amazon and AliExpress. Now the fourth one is eBay, where you can find the same thing and try to explore these 4 marketplaces and research the products which is best selling product or which have the high demand and which have the higher rate of profit. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.